Got you a new one. You gotta answer truthfully. This is one of those very serious would you rathers. Would you rather have your body found in a pile of sex toys or a pile of drugs?
Yeah, we'll go with sex toys.
Yeah, that's better. My favorite part of camping is probably going to be all said and done, go to bed at night, slip a steak, something under Davis's tent, and just listen.